Hello everyone, welcome to solve this Math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have x plus y equals to 12 and x times of y equals to 32, and we solve this problem for the values of x and y. So this is our equation number 1, this is our equation number 2, and now we solve these two simultaneous equations. So first we focus on equation number 1, and our equation number 1 implies that here we move this x to the right hand side and we get the value of y is equals to 12 minus x, and we call this is our equation number 3. And now we substitute this value of y in equation number 2, so that here our equation number 2 implies that xy equals to 32, and here we have the value of y is 12 minus x is equals to 32. And now in the next step, here we multiply this x on both of these two terms, and it will be written as 12x minus x square is equals to 32. And now in the next step, here we rearrange the terms and we move these two terms to the right hand side, and it will be written as, because here you see that this is minus x square, when we move in the right hand side it will becomes plus x square, and this 12x move in the right hand side it will becomes minus 12x, and this is our plus 32 equals to 0. So now here after substituting the value of y in equation number 2, we get the equation in quadratic, we get the quadratic equation in the variable x. So here we find the factors of this equation, this quadratic equation, by using the quadratic formula or the factorization technique. So that here we use the factorization technique in order to find the factors of this equation, so that here we just break its middle term and we write this minus 12 as minus 8x minus 4x plus 32 equals to 0. Here we break the middle term minus 12, and now in the next step we take common x from the first two terms. So when we take common x here, and then you get x minus 8, and here we take common minus 4 and we get x minus 8 equals to 0. And now in the next step here we take common x minus 8 from both of these two terms. So here when you take common x minus 8, then you get here x, and when you take common x minus 8, then you get minus 4 equals to 0. And now in the next step we convert this equation into two cases. So the first case is we take x minus 8 equals to 0, and the second case is we take x minus 4 equals to 0. So from first case we easily get the value of x is equals to 8, because when we move minus 8 it will becomes here plus 8. And similarly from the second case we get the value of x is equals to plus 4. So here we have these two values of x. So now we find the corresponding values of y, so that we just substitute these two values of x in equation number 3. So we put this value in equation number 3, and we also put this value in equation number 3. So our equation number 3 is that y equals to 12 minus x. This is our equation number 3, and we substitute the value of x here. So when you put the value of this x, then you get y equals to 12 minus x, and x is 8. So here we get the value of y is 4. So we have the value of y is 4 when x is 8. And similarly we substitute this value of x in equation number 3, and we have y equals to 12 minus x, and our x is 4, so you get the value of y is equals to 8. So in that case we have the value of x is 4, so corresponding value of y is equals to 8. So here we have the value of xy is equals to 8 and 4, and the second value of xy is 4 and 8. And now in the next step here we verify these two values of x and y. So we write here first value of xy is 8 4, and the second value of xy is 4 8. So now we verify these two values, and here we just copy down the given question statement. It is x plus y equals to 12 and xy equals to 32. Similarly, x plus y equals to 12 and xy equals to 32. So now we verify both of these two solutions. So first we check these two values of x, y. We put these two values on these two equations. So here when you put x equals to 8 and y equals to 4 on both of these equations, so these equations will be written as 8 plus 4 equals to 12. So here first we put these two values in the first equation, and it will be written as 8 plus 4 becomes 12 equals to 12. So it means that the value of x and y is satisfied the first equation, and now we similarly we check these two values in second equation, and in second equation we have 8 into 4 equals to 32. So we have 8 4s are 32 is equals to 32. So this shows that the value of xy is also satisfied second equation. So this value is satisfied over both of the given equations. And now we move toward the second solution, and we check the behavior of second solution. So first we substitute. In that case x is 4 and y is 8. So we put these two values in this equation, and when you put x and y in the first equation, then you get 4 plus 8 is 12. And when you put these two values in the second equation, then you get here 4 times of 8 equals to 32. So you see that 4 plus 8 is equals to 12 equals to 12. So this shows that the value of x and y is satisfied the first equation, this equation, and now we check the second equation. So 4 8s are 32 equals to 32. So this shows that these values of x and y satisfy the second equation as well. So it means that x and y satisfied both of these equations. So finally we conclude that the value of xy is 8 4 and the value of xy is 4 8. These are the only two solutions of the given question, because these two solutions are satisfied over given equation, and in both of these cases we have this is our final solution, and so this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.
Over